Alright, today guys, we're going to try to cold start the 79 Arctic Cat Jag and possibly my 74 Polaris Electra. So the Jag probably hasn't been started in a week or two. It is super cold out today, guys. With the wind, it's probably close to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe a few degrees above 0 Fahrenheit. And you can see the Jag has a bunch of snow, and with that open air box, I'm going to try to clean the ice out. And we'll see how many pulls it takes to get started. And if this one starts, I might consider starting my Electra as well. And it'll be a cool little cold start video for you guys today. Maybe at the end I'll throw in some bonus clips of the Colt that we picked up. If you haven't seen that video already, make sure you guys go do that. Go check out that video. We got some new Polaris Colts. Also subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already and you're watching this video. Make sure you hit that red button. We're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So without further ado, I'm going to try to clean some snow off and see if this thing will fire up. Try to break it free first. There's the front skis. Backs for, oh goodness. Oh no. Oh man. Guys, there's so much snow inside here. Might just have to take off the hood. The nice thing about it is it's detachable. Oh man. Well, the bottle's not frozen. That's good. I really don't want that. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver, guys, and chip the ice away. I got a screwdriver here. We'll see if we can get some of the ice out of the throat of the carburetor, at least. I really don't need it sucking in all the snow. Try to clear some snow off the jack shaft so don't suck that in either. Turn the fuel on. Okay. There we go. Throttle is free. Shake up the gas a little bit. Key on. Choke on. This thing usually takes a few pulls to get started because of the no air box and the choke, and the fuel pump is just kind of zip tied on here. So we'll see if we can get her in like 10 pulls or so, guys, but we'll try. There it is. Start it up. There she is, guys. I don't know, that was probably close to 10 pulls. I figured it was about 10. So that's good. All that ice being in the carb, sitting for a while. That Jag's usually a pretty good runner for 40 bucks. It runs pretty solid. I think I'll try to get my Electra out, guys, and I'll try to cold start that for you as well. Here I have the Polaris Electra just kind of parked by the other Indy here. I'm going to kind of break it free, and then we'll see if she will pop off. I just put a new choke lever on it. Maybe I'll get the camera on this side so you guys can kind of see a little better. Maybe that'll be better. Oh man, this one here's got snow in the carb as well. I don't think it's too bad. Slide's not frozen. Oh man, all the snow down here. Fuel on. But you guys can see, I took that old choke cable out. It was kind of all stuck anyways, and I put a pull choke, just modified it from a TM carburetor. Got a new one for 10 bucks on eBay. So that's my choke now, and it works good. I had problems with the choke cable sticking, but that is not a problem anymore, which is good. All right. Whew, it's gonna be a brisk cold start. Always, guys, for safety, always check your throttle slide. Always give your throttle a few clicks when you're starting something cold that has sat outside. Maybe it has ice in it. Always make sure the throttle returns, and be safe that way. So we'll try to get this thing started. I've been having trouble with the recoil too, as well. He likes to get wrapped around the hub, and yeah, it's not always the happiest when that happens. Okay, choke there. Fuel's on, keys on. Let's see what happens. Here we go, guys. Got her started. Probably give these guys some more fuel as well. I want to get some riding footage for you guys as well in the future. But we got 2 of them started, so that's good. I'm going to give you guys just a little preview on the Colts in the garage yet, and that'll be the end of this video. So leave a thumbs up so far if you have been watching and you enjoy the cold starts. Make sure to smash that like button. Here's the Polaris Colts, guys. Here was the one that currently has no spark anymore, guys. I filed the points. But I'm pretty sure I know what happened. I need to adjust the point gap. It is too large right now and it won't spark. We had spark on 1 cylinder when I first got it. Now I have some spark on none. So I just got to go in there, get the points to the highest position, and then set them to about 12 to 13 thousandths, somewhere in there. Over there is the other Colt. I don't know if I gave you guys a close enough shot in the last video, but you can see the tunnel's a lot rustier than the other Colt. I got sunlight poking in right now. I looked at my finger and I'm like, I thought I was bleeding out of spray paint. I got scared. Anyways, that one there, the tank, you can see the paint is peeling on the tank. That one also has spark on 1 cylinder as well. This one was very, very seized up, guys. The engine was extremely seized. We got it unstuck, turning over. Apologize for the sunlight. I'm trying to autofocus my phone right now on the tripod. It is not really working the best, but I can't really work on these too much. It's so cold right now, guys. My shop's not heated. I don't feel like freezing my hands off trying to adjust points, so I'm going to wait till it gets in the 30-degree Fahrenheit range, and then I can get these going and maybe see make some progress on them. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the cold starts. If you guys want to see any other videos with those 2 snowmobiles that I started earlier, if you guys have any suggestions with the Polaris Colts, I was looking through the original paperwork and found some cool stuff. All kinds of bill of sales from when it was bought, from some person to the next. Original registration tags from 1990 that were never put on, the stickers. I think I told you guys I had the original dealer checkoff sheet, what do you call it, pre-delivery inspection. When they were bought, I have that. I got the original owner's manual. I got the original snowmobile law books or Polaris safety guide or something like that from 1973. So very, very cool, guys. Just for that price, just to have some paperwork on them is pretty cool. And like I said, one was in August 72 and one was September. So the model numbers on the sleds are actually pretty close to each other. And that's kind of nice to have a pair of these Colt 295s. So that's basically going to be it for this video. I'm going to try to get spark in some of the next videos you guys will see me working on. I'll try to get spark. If I do, I'm going to clean the carbs. Got to clean the fuel tanks out. I'll check the lines and see how bad they are. I might just replace the lines, put a filter in, and I want to swap the seat from this one. Is a lot better than the other one, so I want to put the good seat on one of the best ones we can make. The skis on this guy here are completely junk, so I'm trying to make the other one, which is that one right there. I want to make this one the good sled because at least the body is somewhat square, and we just got to swap the seat over from the other one. And if I can get this one to run, that would be great. And sell this one or keep this one, and if I can sell the other parts one for 150 bucks, what I have in both, I mean, I'll be happy with that because then I just basically get a free snowmobile and I can always sell it for profit later. So that about wraps it up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below what you guys think, what we should do with these Colts and the other sleds that we have. If you want a big race or something, we could try to get that together. I was thinking about doing that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.